Kawasaki, best known for its signature green motorcycles, has stepped into bold new territory. At the Kansai International Exhibition in Osaka, the Japanese manufacturer unveiled a revolutionary concept vehicle, CORIO. But CORIO isn't a motorcycle, or even a traditional vehicle. It's a four-legged robotic machine, resembling something straight out of a sci-fi film. Riders mount it like a horse, but its movements are smooth and agile, described by onlookers as panther-like, even canine. Kawasaki is blending robotics with the grace of living creatures, pushing the boundaries of what mobility can look like. Built to conquer all kinds of terrain, CORIO may one day replace horses in challenging environments, leaping, climbing, and adapting where wheels simply can't go. It's a dramatic shift from conventional off-road transport, opening up possibilities in places once thought inaccessible. What makes it even more impressive is its power source. CORIO runs on hydrogen fuel cells, placing it firmly in Japan's push toward clean, sustainable energy. Kawasaki, along with other Japanese giants, is investing in hydrogen as a core part of a low-emission future. Though it may seem like something from the year 2100, CORIO fits right into Japan's vision for 2050, a future powered by AI, automation, and cutting-edge tech. With a track record of innovations like bullet trains and jet engines, Japan is no stranger to redefining what's possible, and CORIO is the next step. Its potential applications are wide-ranging. From defense and search and rescue to remote exploration, CORIO could excel where traditional vehicles fall short. Its adaptability and autonomous features could make it a critical tool in the most demanding environments. Whether it becomes a household name or remains a trailblazing prototype, CORIO signals a bold new direction for transportation. Kawasaki isn't just building machines, they're redefining mobility itself. The era of mechanical animals might just be beginning. Comment your thoughts and subscribe for more such videos.